Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to log into your Zoom account with the Google. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Zoom app. Here I go. At the bottom you can see sign up and sign in. Tap on sign in. Now all you have to do is you have to choose the option sign in with Google. At the bottom you can see sign in with Apple, sign in with SSO, sign in with Facebook, but you have to tap on sign in with Google. Now you have to tap on continue. Here you have to choose your Gmail account, or you can also type it. Here I will be choosing my Gmail account, Christian Gomez. Now you have to tap on accept cookies. Here you have to enter your Zoom account's password. Tap on link and sign in. Tap on don't allow. In this way you can sign into your Zoom account with the help of Google. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.